bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. It's time to shine.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Leechelle. Today is going to be a vlog. We're doing a beauty maintenance video. I'm very excited about this. I'm going on vacation, so you'll know where I'm going in the next video. So I'm not going to mention it today. I'll let you guys see it in the next video, so stay tuned for that. So today we're doing lashes, and I have to do COVID testing because where I'm going, we definitely have to get COVID tested. I'm not really that nervous about doing the whole COVID testing thing. I'm doing everything to be safe. Just want to point that out. I'm not recommending that you go on a trip. I'm just vlogging my experience, so just want to put that out there. But anyway, we're doing lashes, we're doing a wax, we're doing nails, we're doing toes, and I'm getting my hair done. So that's 5 things that we're doing today with this maintenance video. So today is Thursday, so we're going to be doing my lashes today and COVID testing. I don't know how that's going to go, like me vlogging that, so I may not vlog. By the way, I'm also trying out a new lash tech, so I probably won't vlog in there as well, just because it's my first time and I want to just get a feel for everything. But yeah, my appointment is at 11:50, so it's currently 10:46, so I'll be leaving out shortly because it is a little bit of a drive for me. But yeah, I'm very excited, so I'm gonna get ready for that, and then next time y'all see me, I should either be on my way to COVID testing or leaving COVID testing, and we'll be having lashes for days because my eyes definitely need it. Okay, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey guys, so I am back. We're gonna do a little up close on the lashes. Love them so much. I will have the girl who did my lashes information down below for those who are in the DMV area and interested. Foxy is getting on my nerves. Like, Foxy is a mess, okay? Foxy is my hair, for those who don't know. There's Donna, and then there's Foxy. So yeah. Oh, by the way, let's talk about the COVID testing. Let me back up a little bit. The COVID testing was painless, honestly. I was just nervous about how far up they were gonna go in my nose, and she did go far up, so I'm not gonna act like she didn't go far up. She did, but it really wasn't that painful. And by the time where it just was a little uncomfortable, and by the time where it got to the uncomfortable part, she took it out and put it in the other nostril. So yeah, it did not hurt at all. That is it for today. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow when we go to our wax appointment. By the way, I may or may not film that, but I will be filming when I get my nails and toes done tomorrow. So if you don't see me while I'm getting my wax, you will see me when I'm doing my nails and toes. So I will see you guys tomorrow. It is May 22nd. What time is it? 8:15. I have a hair appointment today. I didn't even talk to you guys yesterday. Sorry about that. I got my nails done. If it'll focus. It's acting like it don't want to do that. Hater alert. Nose. Nothing fancy. I just wanted something cute and basic, you know what I mean? And I got French tip on the toes. I didn't even tell y'all the little problem I had with my wax appointment. So, apparently, unbeknownst to me, my waxer was out of town. She was on a flight somewhere. I came into my wax appointment and the door was open and it was someone sitting there. And one of the girls that was waiting, you know, she was asking like, "Are you waiting for, you know, such and such, my waxer?" I was like, "Yeah." And she was like, "Well, my appointment was at 11. The girl's appointment was at 10:30. So it was supposed to be her then myself." And she was saying, "Well, I've been here, you know, for a while now. My appointment was at 10:30. I think that she's out of town and she hasn't been answering my text." So I said, "Okay, well, I'm gonna, you know, try to shoot her a text myself." The text didn't go through. I stayed there for about 10 minutes and then I said, "Okay, I'll have to go." Because I had a nail appointment later on in the day. I had to get ready for that. I don't have time to just sit. So what I decided to do was just book an appointment for European Wax Center to get my Brazilian wax. I wasn't able to get it yesterday, so I'm gonna have to do it today after my hair appointment. So that's on today's to-do list. I didn't even get my wax yesterday, but it's all good. I got my nails, got my toes, and you know, that was a nice little experience. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. Sorry that I didn't even talk to y'all yesterday. I tried vlogging yesterday when I was at the nail salon. It was a little uncomfortable experience, so the footage isn't all that great. But yeah, I'm excited to get my hair done. I just realized that a lot of the places that I went to do like my beauty maintenance, it's like my first time there. When it came to like the lashes, the nail salon, the hair salon, the European Wax Center place, like I'm a first timer at like all these places. So yeah, I need to wax my underarms, but I saw at European Wax Center they said if you're a first time guest that your underarms, you get a free underarm wax. I don't know if you have to book that to get that because I didn't book it. So I don't know. I'm gonna ask them like, can I get a free underarm wax? Because that would be great. That's like one less thing. And then all I have to do is shave my legs and then we're good to go. So hopefully they could do that. That would be great. But yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready. Just, you know, wash up, get dressed, stuff like that, and then be on my way so I can go ahead and get ready for this trip. So I will talk to you guys probably when I get back from the hair salon. And fingers crossed that my hair looks bomb. Because if it doesn't, I'm not even going to say that. My hair is going to look bomb. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hello guys, I am back. This is my look for vacation. So cute. I love it. Let me stand up. I love my hair. I'm definitely going to leave my braider's information in the description box in case you guys are in the DMV area and want to book with her. But yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. I couldn't even go to my wax appointment, so I'm just gonna have to do old-fashioned and shave and keep a razor on deck to get any areas that's hairy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm like feeling myself, y'all. Lashes, hair, come on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and tell me, like, when you trying to do something in your beauty routine, what's like your go-to stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Hi, I'm Leechelle. Follow me on Instagram at LovelyShell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I just showed 'em all.